Spency, what
do you want done?
Where's the guard?
Right, don't worry about it. Sparks are gonna go right there.
What about their hearing protection? We're up to no good. Safe cracker.
When I come in, they fucking move out of the way and they ask me one question.
Spency, where's your hearing protection?
That's how it is.
And your guard?
Don't need no guard. Speaking guard.
You need any kind of eye protection?
No eye protection. I just need you to shut the fuck up. Oh yeah, baby. Get down on video, I'll show you complacent.
No, well, but you still got all your fingers, but you can't get complacent.
No, I'll show you complacent. You better not edit that out. It was not funny, you just see how the Perry mouth.